This is it. This is the camp. Wow, we're like really camping. I've been waiting for this some more time. Ooh. So Justin and I are walking and we don't have any flashlight and we're like, dang, we should have brought our flashlight. We can't see anything, but we're like this close to the bathroom, so it's like we'll be fine. I fell over a campfire. I don't know, it was just some metal thing. But first of all, look at my pants. I have some skin missing here. Oh my gosh, crazy. My hands are dirty. Yeah, I'm just glad it didn't get my knees. It got like the inside of my legs, and it was pretty comical because we were just talking about how we should have brought a flashlight. But I'm gonna hurt tomorrow. It's day 2 of camping. Last night was my first night camping out. It was so nice. You just look up and you see the stars and the trees. It was really pretty. I'm gonna show you guys around the camp. So everything goes in there, all the food. Hey Justin. We cooked beans on here yesterday. We had a salad from Costco. This is the little campfire. All of our chairs are here. There's 6 of us and 1 more person's coming today. But yeah, we just kept the fire going. We roasted marshmallows. We roasted our like hot dogs, and for me, my veggie hot dog. So that was a lot of fun. This is Justin's friend's tent, his friend's sister's tent, another friend of Justin's, and then this is our tent. I really like it. I'm gonna show you around. Shoes over here. We have our 2 sleeping bags, velcroed bottom. This is the dirty clothes pile for now, and our pajamas and books are over there. This is our view this morning. We have the cars here and all of our clothes are in the car, so we're getting dressed. This is my outfit for today. I have a shirt under, hiking boots. We're going on a hike. I'm very excited. But yeah, I will bring you guys along on the hike. We're gonna make breakfast and I'll see you later. Justin, good morning.
Good morning.
Second day. Good time. So Patrick is washing.
Oh, yeah,
Scott is rinsing.
I think they're like
Justin's drying, and we are just sitting and watching. Love it.
Chickpea.
We're going on our hike. Yay. Whoa. You want a photo? Look at this place. This is huge.
Something that you mess up the track. Maybe. Thou shalt not dither. Shalt not swipe thy neighbor's ski wax.
That is crazy. This is my kind of outfit. So this is Half Dome right there, and there's some people climbing it today. Continuing on our hike. We're having some lunch in front of this waterfall.
It's actually a really nice grip.
Oh, it's like tucked in there.
Yeah.
I could hang. I'll be the last one to go. Yay! It does. You look like Hercules. Oh, yeah, do that. What is he up to? What are you doing? Climbing back up? You're finding a way out? Under and over.
Katrina said she won't be going up again.
So these people are getting ready to climb.
Yeah, I thought
Whoa. This guy. He went kind of fast. Hey. What is he doing?
Look at his hair.
This is the base camp. They have a gift shop, swimming pool, a bunch of things. So cold over here. Feels nice. Heading back. We're almost there. My feet are gonna make it. I'm definitely not doing a dip. Not even a quick one. Yeah. Oh, no pressure. How's it?
Good.
Yeah, right. You're like, shit. This is freezing. Oh. Oh my god, hey!
That was fun.
Justin, stick your head out. It's cool. Nice.
Made out of the same grapes. Just one's from California, made by me, and one's from Italy, made by professional.
What is this, German gin?
Yeah.
You don't have to
Whoa.
Made by
We're trying Alan's wine.
Oh, now I need to switch to the wine.
Soup prep. Okay. So we are walking around the campground. We're looking for stone soup. We could be getting tricked. I don't know. So we're gonna find one, bring it back. I hope they pick mine. We found our stone. What do you think? It's all dirty and nasty. So these are our 3 stones. I think we're gonna choose that one. Okay, bye guys.
Is more stone shaped
Uh-huh.
to me, but it's like a little. It's like a rock.
Okay,
like a
so
pebble
this
of
is
that
a
size.
This is like
I
stone
guessed that
size,
one,
but
you
it's
know?
like
okay.
funny shaped.
And what happened was, it was
Okay, we chose a small one.
It's the most excited I've seen you. All trip.
there we go.
The Evans family stone soup. Wait, that's crazy. Yay, we're gonna do some more marshmallows. Look at these crows. Look at Justin sleeping. Nice sandwich. We're going to Verna Fall and Nevada Fall. Everything here looks so pretty, smells so good. We are ready to do this long hike today. We survived yesterday and we saw our cardio wasn't so bad. How many miles did we do?
12, a little over 12.
12 miles, 23,000 steps. Justin's still down there somewhere. I think his friend set up his film camera. But I don't know if you could see like this trail of people. That's what we just walked. It was amazing. Everything's beautiful. I'm here with Courtney and we're gonna have some lunch. Awesome. Wow, this is so beautiful. We made it like all the way to the top and it was worth it. All the snow up there, so nice. Perfect day. Let's keep going. Worth every step. Oh my gosh. Look at my Justin. Now it's time to find the restroom. Where are we gonna go? What spot are we gonna pick? Well, look at this tree. I think that is the largest pine cone I've ever seen. Is that right? Like the big pine cone? That's a baby one. Justin, come look at this pine cone. Hey. Oh, he's coming for you, Scott. Yeah, get Scott's nuts. Yeah. Wash your hands, getting all nice and cold. Heading back down. This is beautiful. We're taking another route and it's longer, but it's not as steep as the way back. Never gets old. Let's keep going. That's crazy. Hey, you're gonna be cleaner than all of us. Oh my gosh, you're healing your body right now. I can't believe you went all the way up to these. Hey. Now sit down. Yay.
Legally.
Oh, 6.
For the camera video.
I'm lucky.
Kayla also.
Oh yes. Yum. We'll take them. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh, we see a deer. So it's our last morning. We brought our tea to look at the river and the wildlife. Pretty great. Cheers. He does not hear that we're here. We're leaving. This is so beautiful. I loved everything about this trip. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.